Hi, today we're going to look at using the HA hosting web portal to back up your virtual server. We're going to be working with Linux server today, but it works equally well with Windows or any other operating system. Okay, so we've logged into the dashboard. If you're not sure how to do that, there is a video somewhere else. Have a look for that. Go to virtual servers and we're looking for this one, the Linux virtual server backup test. Click on that. Okay, so you've got several controls here. You've got your username and password available in here. And we've got access to we've got shutdown, reboot, etc. Access to the console. So we'll click on that. Okay. A little bit difficult to see, but we're at the console there. So I'm going to make that full screen. Okay, so we are now going to log in with as the user. The user is client underscore 431 underscore 29, and the password is M2LZCF7X. Okay, we've logged in there. So what I'm going to do now is take that off the screen. Okay, so from the main menu, we're going to go to Storage, Backups, Create Backup. No, we're not. Don't know why we can't create backup. Okay, from here, if we go to Storage, Backups, and then Create Backup, we will be able to create a backup. Okay, disk has been scheduled for a backup. This will happen in the background, and when it's complete, the backup will show up in here. Okay, so if you refresh the screen after a few minutes, a backup job should appear in here. Gives you the time and date that it was taken. If we go back to our console, we're logged in as the client. So what we're going to do now is change the password. So change the password for the user ID, client underscore 431 underscore 29. The new password, I'm just going to make it the old password back to front. So M2LZC7X. Repeat password 2LZC7X. So the password's been updated successfully. Just using that as a test, so when we restore, the password will be the password forwards. That's the only small change that we've made to the system. So one last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down the server. So shut down -P now. Sudo shutdown -P now. Okay, so that's shut down. The console has disconnected, so we're just going to close that down. And now if we go to the overview screen, click refresh, The server is powered on but switched off. Okay, on the storage screen, we'll go to backups. We have a backup that we just created, and now we're going to restore from that. And when we restore, the password will be back in its original format. Are you sure you wish to restore this backup? Yes, okay. So it's scheduled for restore from backup. If we go back to the overview, the status is in rollback. And we can refresh that. Okay, fantastic. So it's come back and the status is on. So we click on console. Okay, so we're going to try the original password this time. So login clients underscore 431 underscore 29 password M2LZCF7X. Okay, and that let us in. So the restore took about 5-10 minutes. Very easy to do. You can set up more than one backup job. So you can just press create backup, and that will do a backup immediately. You can create a schedule. It's not the most advanced scheduling of backups. You can choose a day or multiple days and then a time, and then tell it how many backups to keep. So because you can go to 99 backups in the list. So it just takes a little bit of management. If you've got a fairly simple requirement in terms of backup and backup scheduling, this will be just right for you. If you want something a little bit more feature rich, then we also have a Cronus backup, which is a fully featured backups service. So, and we'll be doing a video on that shortly. Okay, thanks very much. Bye now.